Hi, I'm John Stanley. I'm the product specialist with Turck for the instrumentation product lines, and today we're going to be talking about the TS Plus temperature sensor. Turck's TS Plus temperature sensors are a rugged family of temperature monitoring sensors in a stainless steel housing that can be used to accurately determine the temperature of liquids, gases, or solids. It measures the temperature at the point of installation and converts the data to either an analog, discrete, or digital output. They are a great solution for measuring and displaying temperatures in a wide range of industrial applications. The TS Plus includes a number of enhancements over the previous TS400-500 families. The design also mirrors the PS Plus pressure sensors and the FS Plus flow sensors for ease of use. The TS Plus has a sloped, rotatable, multicolor display that simplifies installation and commissioning. Note how easy it is to rotate the top of the sensor to achieve the optimal viewing angle. In addition, monitoring the output state is designed with visibility in mind. If a program switch point is exceeded, the sensor will show a visual indication here or here. Another one of the big advantages over the previous family of solutions is the streamlined one-piece translucent display with capacitive touchpads. You'll find the TS Plus more reliable and much easier to program and use. There are no leak points associated with menu navigation buttons, improving overall sealing and increased system availability. The TS Plus provides maximum application flexibility as it is offered in a number of variants, including versions with an integrated probe. Customers can also order a remote version that is compatible with Turck's mounting hardware and various probe lengths. Turck has a variety of mounting accessories for mounting the TS Plus sensor, including compression fittings, mounting brackets, and thermal wells, offering maximum mounting flexibility for most applications. For more information, please consult the instruction leaflet for the TS Plus temperature sensor. For this tutorial, we are going to be using a TS720 TS Plus sensor. This sensor has two outputs. Output 1 can either be used as a switching output or the output that carries the IO-Link process data, but not both at the same time. Output 2 can be figured to be a switching output or a variety of milliamp or voltage analog outputs. We will also be using a temperature probe, a 4-pin M12 Extension Cordset, and a Turck sensor test box. We will use this sensor to monitor a hypothetical process application using 1 beaker of hot water and 1 beaker of cold water to simulate temperature extremes. For the sake of this hypothetical, let's say that the process needs to stay between 30 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, otherwise an alarm output gets energized. Additionally, we're going to program the LED to change red when the temperatures are outside of these limits as a visual indication to an operator. First, let's put together the hardware. With an M12 Cordset, plug the male end into the bottom of the TS Plus sensor. The female end of that same Cordset, install it onto the male end of the temperature sensor. And then finally, we'll apply power to the TS Plus sensor with the Turck test box. To unlock, press the Enter touchpad for 4 seconds and then swipe all touchpads from left to right. With the TS Plus unlocked, let's first set the desired temperature units to degrees Fahrenheit. You can do this by navigating the menu with the Mode and Set capacitive touchpads. Once you get units displayed, abbreviated by UNI, click Enter, and then hold the Set button for 3 seconds until the screen stops blinking. You can then use the Mode and Set buttons to navigate various units of temperature until arriving at degrees Fahrenheit. Click Enter to set the units. With the temperature unit set, let's put our sensor into window function mode. Again, using the Mode and Set buttons to navigate the menu, highlight Output 1, abbreviated by OU1. Click Enter. Holding the Set button for 3 seconds again until the display stops blinking. You can use the Mode and Set buttons to navigate the menu until you reach FNC. Click the Enter touchpad, and this now sets Output 1 to a normally closed window function. With window mode set, let's set up our 30 degree Fahrenheit limit. Remember, we are setting the sensor to have a PNP output on output 1 when the temperature is between 30 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Using the mode and set buttons to navigate the menu, go to the FL1 menu, which sets the lower window limit. With the FL1 menu displayed, clicking enter displays the value. Let's change that to our lower limit of 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Holding the set button for 3 seconds until the display stops blinking allows us to change this parameter. We want to change that to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Clicking enter enters the value. The lower limit is now set to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Back in the main menu, let's navigate to the FH1 menu, which describes the upper limit of the window function for output 1. Again, using the enter button to enter into the parameter selection, we're going to hold the set button for 3 seconds until the display stops blinking, and then we're going to change this value to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, pressing enter to enter and store the parameter. The upper limit is now set. Let's also set the sensor to turn red when the temperature goes below 30 degrees or above 80 degrees. In the main menu, we'll use the mode and set buttons to navigate to the EF submenu. Using enter to enter the menu. Using the mode and set buttons, navigate to the color menu and press enter. Again, holding the set button for 3 seconds until the display stops blinking is going to allow us to change this parameter. We are going to look for the R1OU display. What this does is changes the color of the display for the sensor to read red when the output is not engaged. Pressing enter stores this parameter. We have the sensor programmed. To lock the sensor and revert back to the display screen, hold the mode and set touchpads simultaneously for 4 seconds. Note that the TS Plus also will lock after 60 seconds of inactivity. Let's test the sensor programming with the test box. As you can see, once the temperature rises above 80 degrees Fahrenheit, our PNP output alarm turns on. Additionally, when the temperature comes back down within that limit, the LED screen is going to change from red back to green. It's important to note that this is an IO-Link sensor and it can also be programmed via IO-Link. Easy commissioning and high plant availability. That's TS Plus.